welcome back to my channel 10x Life Growth Hacker. How are you all? Have you ever been curious how some people seem to effortlessly accomplish more in a day? Although we all have same 24 hours in a day, right? But these people seem to live in a different world of excellence, isn't it? So what is the secret sauce behind their successful days and life for that matter? Let me tell you, first of all, they know it's not about working harder all the time, it's about working smarter. Secondly, it's not just about being busy, it's about producing meaningful results without feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, they operate in a high emotional states most of the time, and that's why they are able to produce extraordinary results in their life. And that's where productivity comes into play. And to make it truly transformative for all of you, I am adding a sprinkle of neurolinguistic magic, programming magic, to this 2 parts video series called Mastering Productivity Secrets. So let's dive in and discover how neurolinguistic programming can help you level up your productivity game forever. And today I'm sharing with you 5 secrets. Before moving ahead, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram, FB page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, all known as 10x Life Growth Hacker, for free resources and tutorials based on neurolinguistic programming. So moving ahead, number 1 secret, the basic fundamental of neurolinguistic programming teaches us that our language and thoughts influence our behavior, our actions. And this is non-negotiable, guys. So at the outset, start by rewiring your thoughts and pay close attention to words you're using, the kind of language pattern you're using in your day-to-day life. For example, a tip I'm giving you, you can replace all these negative sentences. Generally, unconsciously, we tend to use or think all throughout the day in our mind is like, I cannot with how can I? Or I don't want to do this. So you can replace it with let me explore it. Next is I have so much to do and so less time, right? You can say let me focus, or I am focusing only on high impact activities. So once you start rewiring or switching these small little sentences and words in your day-to-day life, it's a simple shift, guys. सुनने में बहुत आसान और easy लग रहा होगा, छोटा लग रहा होगा, काफी सारे लोग कर भी रहे होंगे. But believe me, it opens the door to creative solutions and a can-do mindset. This is the start for anything, for any excellence in our world. Number 2, anchoring. Anchor is a powerful neurolinguistic programming tool that can turbocharge your productivity, and that too instantly. So how do you do that? Associate positive emotions with tasks on your to-do list. For example, need to tackle that big report in office? So anchor this particular task to a state of achievement, to a state of accomplishment and happiness. And your brain will soon link that big report task with that positive state of mind, making it easier for you to dive in. Number 3, no multitasking. Absolutely, it's a proven. Multitasking decreases productivity. In fact, multitasking actually overwhelms your brain like anything, because your brain is not able to focus fully and produce extraordinary results at one point in time for any kind of work that you are taking up in that moment. So also the time you use to switch between different activities are actually lost time as well as energy. So what is the tip? Tip is don't do few things or many things at once. Do one task at a time with 100% focus. Switch off all potential disturbances or interruptions which will ping you in today's world, like social media, email, phone notifications. You can also set certain times every day and set expectations of people around you that hey, at these particular hours I would not like to get disturbed. So that's your D&D time, right? Moving to the next secret, number 4, the 80-20 rule. Famous quote है Abraham Lincoln का. He says, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Means most people spend little time on strategy or planning and end up using most of their time and energy trying to micromanage or correcting other people or focusing on problems. Remember, 100% of your business, career, for that matter life, is strategy and 20% tactics. In other words, 80% mindset and 20% skill set. Interesting. So, what is the tip? Always think about what. That's your strategy first, followed by how, tactics, and spend proportionately more time on strategy in everything you do, be it in your personal life, professional life, or business. Moving to the next secret, number 5, start by winning. Human mind is reprogramming itself all the time from data it receives on forever basis. Many of you might be knowing the importance of mindset for long-term success, right? How about short-term? Example, daily. It's even more important, guys, because daily itself makes up weekly, monthly, yearly, isn't it? So what is the tip? We want to start every day with a small win. Do something uncomfortable first thing when you wake up in the morning and overcome it. And this tells your mind unconsciously that you already started your day with a win. Basically, it sends the positive message to your neurology and set the tone for the rest of your day. Exercise workout is perfect because no matter what your fitness level is, we all have a comfort level. We can go slightly beyond. Reading and walking are similar examples, right? People like Robin Sharma start their day with intensive workout followed by meditation, reading, and all of this. So I hope you will implement these 5 secrets of productivity and let me know how do you find it. And I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.